Welcome to ArchonTube. Today we are going to do case study on the Hopong House in Vietnam. This is a leisure farmhouse designed by Huni Architects. This house has an area of 400 meters square and constructed in 2018. In this video, we will study about the planning, materials used in the building, ventilation and how they used site surrounding as an architectural element. The farmhouse is located in the hillsides facing the Phuket Lake. The client's idea is to revitalize the abandoned agriculture over time, renovating a retreat house. The planning of Hopong farmhouse is strictly based on 4 no design rules: no aluminium and glass windows, no air conditioning, no baked bricks, no tiles. I will show the plan section and elevation images at the end of the video. The house is 2-level with a simple shape and a unique bamboo wall covering. The ground floor includes a wine cellar, a steam room and a kitchen with an open dinner table connecting to the lake and the pool. In the first level, there is another living room, and following spaces are 2 consecutive bedrooms with rustic furniture typical of the Vietnam countryside. The master bedroom has a fully open frontage, creating a space in direct contact with nature. The balcony floor is tempered glass, creating a unique feeling when viewed, like floating in the middle of the lake. For windows, bamboo folding shutter systems are used which provide natural light and airflow. Instead of air conditioner, a bamboo shell is used to create cooler environment. Walls are made entirely of bamboo and rough cement. Flooring is done only by natural stone, wood and bamboo, which creates a sense of closeness, roughness and harmonizes the interior of the house. The podium is made from local rough stone blocks, providing solidity and insulation. Now coming to ventilation part, this house is a relaxing space for the client to cure the pressure of urban life. The ventilation of this house helps the client to recover, re-energize, continue their dedication to life. The form of the house is designed to catch wind from all sides and reach over the surface of the lake. Instead of air conditioner, this house uses a bamboo shell to create cooler environment. The bamboo shell consists of 2 layers of bamboo inside and outside with a middle waterproof layer. The air circulating between the layer creates a cooled environment. The facade made of rough block work, arranged intentionally to ventilate and catch sunlight for the interior space. This house minimizes the carbon dioxide emission index of a green building. Next, let's see how the architects used the site surrounding as an architectural element. The surrounding area of the site are perennial orchards, clean vegetable gardens and woodlands which becomes a play area for the children. The approach to the house is gardened by the tropical plants such as areca, banana, becoming a scene of peaceful life with nature. With a panoramic view of the lake, the architecture clearly arranges the infinity pool as a large mirror reflecting nature.